My name's Hunter Burke, and I'd like to talk to you about Loadshop, a simple and intuitive platform for shippers and carriers to digitally match freight directly, as privately or publicly as they want, and without a broker dictating the terms in between. Before we get into that, I'd like to highlight 3 benefits this digital freight marketplace delivers. First, economically, Loadshop produces a better result on transactional load opportunities. Loadshop is advantaged here because it charges a flat, transparent fee only when a match is made. Second, it creates more opportunity. By giving shippers and carriers a hassle-free way to directly connect, they can bypass the limiting filter that the current brokerage model creates. And third, it brings actual pricing transparency to an industry that has been wanting this for years. These benefits help create a virtuous cycle of mutual benefit where shippers end up paying less and carriers end up earning more from their spot market transactions. Now, let's see what that looks like in action on Loadshop.
To start, we'll explore the load posting experience from an enterprise shipper that has Loadshop integrated to their transportation management system. Once you have identified the load you want to find spot capacity for, it's as easy as right-clicking and posting directly from the TMS. From here, you can confirm or adjust load details, carrier selections, and pricing parameters before clicking Post to make it available on the Loadshop marketplace for carriers to view and book. Once a load is live on the marketplace, carriers can use the advanced search function to find the right load for their needs. Let's say you are looking for loads out of Houston or somewhere nearby. You would simply go to the Origin tab in the advanced search section of the marketplace and type in Houston. You can then adjust the maximum origin radius to bring up more loads that are a little farther away. Everything is adjustable in advanced search. One of the most powerful features in Loadshop is the ability to set favorites. Setting up a favorite lane removes the need to manually search for loads and generates an automated email or text anytime a lane matching your criteria becomes available. In the advanced search section of the marketplace, you can also set filters, and by clicking Add to Favorites, you will be notified via email or text of any load that meets your criteria. You can view all of your favorites by clicking on the Profile tab in the marketplace. Favorites are also adjustable, so you can add and remove them at any time. Now that you know how to find loads or allow loads to find you, let's quickly walk through how easy they are to book. Once you have clicked into a load, it will bring a pop-up on the side of the page with more specifics, such as a breakdown of line haul and fuel. It will also show the shipper's contact info in case you have any questions. Here you can also see weight, miles, shipper, and delivery hours. If you want to book a load, just hit the blue Book button. Clicking this button confirms that you, the carrier, will put this load on your asset equipment. Once a carrier books the load, both the shipper and carrier will receive a booking confirmation email with all details of the transaction. Now, it's time to pick up, deliver, and provide status updates throughout the delivery process. There are 4 different ways that a carrier can update their status through Loadshop: by integrating through API or EDI, by utilizing a mobile app, by providing a truck number to enable ELD pings, by updating statuses directly within Loadshop. Many of our shippers will even send Loadshop carriers who provide good service and status updates exclusive spot opportunities and access to their bids for dedicated or contract freight awards. Once delivery has been completed, Loadshop will pay the carrier and invoice the shipper. Autopay options are also available to make invoicing touchless and easy. Now, let's circle back and take a closer look at some of the powerful tools available when posting loads. The first is a special instructions field, a text box that allows you to enter critical details that may not always be represented in a TMS. Loads with clear expectations and upfront details provide carriers with confidence when booking freight, resulting in a better experience for all. Next, we look at selecting which carriers to post an instantly bookable offer to. When posting a load, the system will automatically default to all carriers on the Loadshop marketplace that meet requirements. But if you need to limit the number of carriers for a certain reason, you can easily do so by creating carrier groupings based on load attributes like origin, destination, or equipment type. As you can see in this example, a user set up a Shippensburg, Pennsylvania preload list to give carriers with equipment on site first crack at booking it. Now that you've seen how to adjust load details and carrier selection, the last part of the posting process is pricing. The Smart Spot tool helps by providing shippers a predictive rate for moving a specific load through the Loadshop marketplace. Its proprietary algorithm is backed by extensive real-time market data, actual platform activity, and machine learning to provide shippers a rate with a high level of booking confidence. Essentially, it's similar to what a broker would look at when providing a quote, but without the markup. Also on the pricing front is a new feature called Rate Seeker that helps automate rate movement to find the best possible price. In addition to entering the posted price, Rate Seeker allows you to specify a flat amount or percentage to start, along with the number and duration of intervals to determine when it will settle at the posted price. This helps ensure that the carrier in the best position to move the load will have the first chance to book the load and at the best price to the shipper.
These are just some of the highlights of what Loadshop is capable of and what this digital freight marketplace stands to offer both shippers and carriers. It really is as simple or sophisticated as you make it, because the power to post and book loads directly, easily, and with total visibility into both sides of the transaction is in your hands. We're excited about the economic benefit Loadshop can bring to the spot market, with shippers already reporting average savings of up to $200 per load booked through the platform. If you're a shipper looking to capture similar savings, or a carrier looking to access better paying freight direct from shippers, then head online and check us out at loadshop.com to sign up and begin your journey. Thanks for watching and happy load shopping.